Hello friends, how are you? I am Raihan Islam. I have both a special product name SuperSonicHost. Product description: stop paying huge monthly to expensive hosting platform like HostGator, GoDaddy, DreamHost, etc. once and for all. Brand new for 2023, Google supported octa-core hosting technology. Let's you host unlimited website and domains using ultra-fast servers for a super low on-time price. Stop facing slow landing and security concerns. Get all your business website loaded at jet speed and zero downtime. This is demo video.
Stop and pay close attention to what I'm about to say. In this short video, you're about to discover a brand new revolutionary technology to host unlimited websites and domains on ultra-fast and secured servers for a crazy one-time price. Yes, you got that right. We're about to lift the curtains on a super fast and ultra-secured website hosting platform that loads your websites in the blink of an eye with no monthly fees and no annual fees ever. So, if you are a product creator, an affiliate marketer, an e-com store owner, a SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone operating in the digital marketing arena, you better not miss out even a single second of this video, as I have got some great news for you today. Presenting SuperSonicHost, brand new 2023 focused and Google supported octa-core hosting technology to host unlimited websites and domains using ultra-fast servers for a low one-time price. All you need to do is to follow 3 steps. Log in to your Sonic host and enter your domain names. Transfer existing website domains to start fresh with new domain names. Unlimited numbers of domains and websites can be hosted without any restrictions. Number 2, setup. Install WordPress on any domain in seconds. With our simple step-by-step instructions, get sites live in minutes, even if you have never set up a website before. Plus, our end-to-end SSL encryption, free SSL certificates, and advanced DDoS security mean that all sites offer the best available protection against hackers and dangerous malware. Number 3, access. Easily manage all websites. Take the complexity out of website management with our ultra-simple user interface that's designed for the total tech novice. And unlimited money-making sites can be hosted with zero restrictions or add-on fees. Here are some of the amazing features you get with Sonic Host. Premium cloud-based high-speed servers for ultra-fast loading speed and skyrocket conversions. Host unlimited websites and domains with zero limitations. Get unlimited bandwidth to boost website performance with zero monthly or yearly investment. 100%
Use SuperSonicHost to get unlimited and fast speed website hosting for business owners across the globe. We don't about ourselves, thus number do the talking. Marketers around the globe love SuperSonicHost. Using SuperSonicHost for your website is as easy as 3 simple steps. Step 1. Logging. Logging to SuperSonicHost and enter your domain names. Step 2. Setup. Step 3. Access. Make the right choice today and say yes to the future of website hosting. With SuperSonic Hosting, you have just 3 seconds to rating your website visitors. If you want to know more, then you can visit my website. My website raihanolproductreview.com. Review with Raihanol. Supersonic Host Review. Vendor moshbari. Others digital product. Number 2. Web stocks review. Number 3. Beat tsunami review. Number 4. Effortless CPA review. etc. Visited. You will find the product link in the description of my channel. If you like the product, then you can see the product. Thank you.